Given the functions f of x and g of x, determine if they are inverses of each other. F of x equals 2x minus 16, and g of x equals 1/2 x plus 8. If f of x and g of x are inverses of each other, then f of g of x should equal x, as well as g of f of x should equal x. So let's check both of these. Since f of g, that's really f of g of x. So 2 times x, which I'm going to replace with an empty set of parentheses, minus 16. And then in that set of parentheses, I'm going to replace it with my g of x, 1/2 x plus 8. Distributing my 2 throughout, 2 times 1/2 x would be x plus 16 minus 16, I get x. So f of g of x equals x. For g of f of x, remember that's going to be g of f of x. So if I write down my g of x, which would be 1/2 x, which I'm going to replace with an empty set of parentheses, plus 8. And then inside that parentheses, I'm going to put the f of x. In this case, 2x minus 16. Distributing my 1/2 throughout, 1/2 times 2x is x. 1/2 times negative 16 would be negative 8 plus 8. That equals x. So g of f of x also equals x. Since f of g of x equals x and g of f of x equals x, then f of x and g of x are inverses of each other.